Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Telegram on your PC. First open your browser and search for Telegram. Open Telegram Messenger right here and go to PC or Linux. Get Telegram for Windows. After finishing the download, just hit double click and click Run. And now choose your language you want to install it. I'm choosing English. Click OK, then next. Click yes right here, and then next again. Next, install, and next. And after finishing the installation, just click finish and you're done. And if you are wondering how to link your Telegram on your PC, just check this video, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next video.